I'm going to walk you through how to fix your YouTube not working step by step in less than 2 minutes. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel.
So what you need to do is head forward into your settings, and then here you're going to go down to connections, network, then network configurations. You're going to make sure your TV is actually connected to the internet. As you can see, mine is connected on this Wi-Fi. And then now you're going to head back right here, and then you're going to come down to support, system update, and then now you can see my auto update is enabled. And then you click on check update, and from here you can see that my device is actually up to date. So what we are going to do next is come back to our home screen. And then here you're going to go ahead and access your App Store or Play Store depending on what is available on your device. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for App Store right here. So you can see I have App Store. I'm going to go ahead and enter. After opening your App Store, you're going to go ahead and search for YouTube. And then right here you can see my YouTube is also up to date, so you make sure your YouTube is updated. If it's not, you go ahead and update it and you have your YouTube actually working. But if this doesn't work out, then you're going to try this last step, in which is going to fix every issue for you. And then now you're going to head forward into your settings. Here you're going to come down here where you see systems, and then now application settings, and then you click on clear cache. Here you can see the cache of applications, browsers and corresponding users data will be cleared, and the TV will then restart. Do you want to proceed? And then you click on clear to go ahead and fix your YouTube.